Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a try on fall outfits for you guys. I am super excited to be doing this video. So yeah, if I'm holding my little mic, I'm holding my mic in my hand. So I kind of want to show you guys what I'm wearing now before I move on to the rest of the outfits. So this is the first outfit that I am wearing. I love it. I'm wearing my faja under, so don't mind that. But these jeans are fucking amazing. I love these jeans. They feel so good. Like, they make the booty look good too as well. They're stretchy. They feel really good. I am so comfortable. Especially the openings. I feel like those make me feel like really sexy. I really I want to say from all the jeans, this is one of my favorite pair of jeans. Also, I got this sweater. It does come like in a two-piece. I chose to not get the bottom because I was thinking, you know what? I could probably get away with wearing this with any color of jeans and it'll still look good. And yeah, it does. It looks amazing. It feels amazing. I like it. It's kind of not that hot today in LA, so I got away with wearing it. Anyways, I was in the AC, so I was able to wear it, but it's like a knitted. I'll link everything down below for you guys. I do have the name of it. It's in the tag in the back. I heard you guys in my last video that you guys wanted to see me to name the jeans that I was wearing. So I will put like a little notification thing right here pointing at the jeans and everything so you guys can see the name of the jeans and the name of the tops that I'm wearing. But this is what it basically looks like. The back, that's what it looks like as well. Oh my god, so I can't believe this is what I look like now. So yeah, it's very comfortable, long sleeve as well. I love the burgundy. Reminds me of fall. I love it. Very comfortable. I give this a thumbs up. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the next outfit. I actually did have a lot of my Instagram followers and Snapchat followers choose outfits for me and DM'd me with some outfits they wanted to see me in. So I chose some of them. It was so many people. So many of you guys did DM me with pictures and stuff. So a lot of the pictures were like stuff I wouldn't wear. Like, it was too revealing for me. But I picked some of the stuff that I think that I would look good in. So I'm going to go ahead and try on the next outfit. Don't forget to check the links down below. I will link all the outfits and shirts and tops and jeans down below for you guys. So let's go ahead and move on to the next. All right, so this is the next outfit. The jeans I picked them myself. Like, I really wanted a pair of gray jeans. These are the Canopy jeans. I have these ones in white. I have them in the jeans. I have them in a black. I'm gonna show you guys the black one as well. And now I have them in a gray. I like that the opening from the jeans is right here. These are very comfortable. I like how they hug my body. The top is so cute. I saw it. One of my followers sent me a picture of it. It looks so beautiful on the model. I was like, oh my god, I need to have that top. So this is a long sleeve top. It's like off the shoulder kind of, and it looks really good. I think that I probably could have gotten away with like a small. I recently been getting like size medium, but it just depends on the breast part, because I feel like the breast part, sometimes my boobs are too big and it doesn't fit in a medium, and then I have to go to a large. But there's tops that I can't be a large because I'm too small from my waist. Yeah. So let's go ahead and move on to the next outfit. All right. Here is the next outfit. I feel like a lot of you guys know me so well, so you guys kind of like pick stuff that I would feel comfortable with. I would definitely wear this out a lot. It's a crop top, long sleeve, knitted, I want to say it is. I'll link it down below. The jeans that I'm wearing, they're buttoned up. So they button. These are called the classic button-up skinny jeans, and that's what the butt looks like. I still have the little tag. These are in a size 9. So these are the jeans. I really like how they feel. I kind of wanted something that had like buttons in the front, and then they don't have no openings or anything. So this is like the first pair of jeans that I have that are kind of like open. And I'm gonna show you guys, most of these outfits are definitely I can wear with these boots that I got from Fashionnova. I will show you guys in the later on in the video. But yeah, I really like this sweater. Like, it feels really comfortable. I like it because it's a crop top. You know, it can be covered up but still look cute. That's what I kind of was like looking forward to, like wearing fall outfits, these kind of, you know, tops. All right, I got a few more to show you guys. I'm excited for 2 of the outfits that you guys chose for me. I normally would never had worn those outfits because I was like not very confident, but I feel like now I can definitely wear them. So I can't wait to show you guys what they look like because I already tried them on and I had like a little tiny photo shoot and I have like pictures with the outfits, so I will show you guys that. So yeah, let's go ahead and move on to the next outfit because I'm really excited to show you guys. All right, this, like, I look at myself and I still can't believe this is like what I look like. Of course I'm wearing my faja under. I mean, you can definitely wear a faja with this because you can't really see it. But honestly, tell me what you guys think. I am wearing like a push-up bra just to keep the girls like where they should be and so they can look a little bit bigger. But this is what it looks like. Like, I don't know, before I wouldn't wear this. I am so excited to actually wear this out. I even told my husband we need to go out on a date because there has to be a reason for me to wear this out. At least we can go to dinner or something because this is really, really cute. Like, you guys see how it looks? And it's good material. It feels really nice. It's like, it's not tight, but it hugs your body so nicely. Like, look, are you guys seeing this? Like, I cannot believe this is me. I seriously can't believe it. I'm like super excited. Cannot believe this is me. All right, for it, Jacklyn off shoulder mini dress, size medium. On the website is Kylie Jenner wearing this, I believe, and she looks amazing on it. So I was like, when somebody sent it to me, I was like, maybe I can pull that off. It looks really good. So I was like, I was so excited that somebody picked this out for me because I wouldn't have normally picked it for myself. So I really love this dress. So whoever picked this dress for me, you're amazing. I love you. All right, so I have, I believe, 2 more outfits to show you guys. But this so far, my favorite. I really like this one. And then I'm going to show you guys the boots as well because I ordered myself some boots because, girl, I needed them. All right, this one, okay? I was really excited to try this one on. It's a set of 2. This is a set. It's a matching set, and this one is called Breast Up Rib Legging Set. And I got it in a size medium. This is what it looks like from the front. And then this is what it looks like in the back. So freaking cute. Like, wow. Of course, you know, in the pictures I took pictures with it without the faja. I will post some pictures right here somewhere so you guys can see. I wear them with my little booties that I got from Fashionnova as well. But this is what this one looks like. I really love it. This one is not even like, doesn't even feel like it's hot or anything. It feels comfortable. It's like something I can actually wear around the house if I wanted to as well. I love the sleeves. It does have like this little lace, shoelace type of thing, just to wrap around your hands. This is what it actually looks like when it's not wrapped. I would need somebody to tie it for me because I wasn't able to, but this is what it looks like. And then basically I just kind of tie this around for now because I don't have anybody to help me do that, but you're supposed to tie them so that it kind of looks like flary kind of type of thing. But yeah, this is what this one looks like. I have one more outfit to show you guys. It's like fall type. I'm excited. But yeah, this one was another one of my favorites. So the dress in this one is my second favorite. I really like how it looks. Let me know which ones you guys like so far. Yeah, let's go ahead and try on the other one. All right, so this is the last outfit. This is another black Canopy jeans. Like I said, they have that grand little opening in the back. These are my favorite jeans. Like if I were to tell you to buy jeans from Fashionnova, I would say the Canopy line is a must. They're stretchy, they feel amazing, they hug your body really nice. That's what the back looks like. I love the Canopy jeans. I'm telling you, I have them in white, gray, black, the jean type ones. They're my favorite. This top right here is called London Cropped Sweater, and I really like it. This kind of reminds me of pumpkin spice, fall, going to the pumpkin patch. I love this. This one is one of my favorites as well. I can totally see me wearing this and some booties and rocking them and going to the pumpkin patch and getting some pictures. I probably will do that. My favorite. I love the orange. It looks so nice. It looks really good too. I really like it. I just feel like maybe the bra, because the bra that I'm wearing is a push-up bra. It's a little bit too much, so maybe I'll probably get like a smaller, like a normal bra, so it doesn't look too like this. But I really like it, you guys. Like, you guys picked out a lot of things that I would totally wear like all the time. I was afraid because I mean there were some outfits you guys were picking for me, and I feel like you guys were like trying to have me naked on camera, but yeah. So I kind of like to keep it a little bit more covered. I mean, the most I'll show is probably the top part. That's about it. But yeah, this is the final outfit. Let me know in the comments down below which one was your favorite. I would really like to know. For me, it was the dress and the mini dress and the two-piece set, the brown one that I had. Those are my favorite. If I had to choose from all of them, those are two of my favorite. And then this top, I really like it. So yeah, I will link all the jeans down below. Definitely check them out, you guys, because they're amazing. Also, they're always having sales, you guys, so definitely sign up so that it notifies you when they're having a sale, because that's when I normally purchase my stuff. When I'm ordering my stuff, I definitely wait until they're having a sale. I love when they're having a sale because who doesn't like to save money? But yeah, thank you guys again for watching, and let me know what other outfits would you guys like me to try. I wanted to do a bathing suit haul, like just pick out a bunch of bathing suits and then kind of show you guys what they look like on me. But I don't know, I feel like summer's almost over, so it kind of doesn't make sense for me to get bathing suits. I don't know, let me know. Or I can do more little dresses or those two-piece sets. I don't know. Let me know, you guys, if you guys like those kind of videos. Comment down below and let me know. I really like you guys' feedback and, you know, knowing what you guys like. And thanks again for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to comment. I love you guys, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.